them, but you don't know how to be that. So today I will tell you the magic behind that routine, because of which you can get a positive changes in your life. So now you will think that how that rule and habit and routine related to your success, but it is direct connected to it and it impact to your life. It is most important how you spend your day. एक जैसे कि घर बनाने के लिए एक नींव सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट होती है, वैसे ही अपनी सक्सेसफुल लाइफ के लिए सबसे मेन जो होता है वो आपका रूटीन, वो आपकी हैबिट होती है. How you spend your day, what you are doing in your day, that directly connected to your future. It decide your future success, it decide your tomorrow. So think about it and how routine impact to your life. So first I will analysis my routine, how I used to make my routine. So first I will tell you normal person routine. So what a normal person do in the routine. Normal person just wake up lately and snoozing their alarm, and there are also some people like me, you can example of me. There are also people who don't set an alarm, they wake up very lately, and after that they get ready without any planning, they just spending their time in getting ready, and after that they spend their day in a scrolling, in a multitasking and with your friend and that notification जिसका आप हमेशा वेट कर रहे होते हो. They don't focus on what they are eating. They eat unhealthy food which is not good for their health, and after that in a night they scrolling and watching a series, watching a movie on YouTube, blah blah blah, but they are still wastage of their timing, and they never analyze what they are doing in their life, and in a night they after watching your mobile you just go to sleep and you don't think about that what you do, and you just regret बे यार आज मैंने किया ही क्या, मेरा पूरा दिन खराब हो गया. भाई तुमने कुछ किया ही नहीं है, तुमने पूरा दिन बिना प्लानिंग के बिता दिया, तुम्हें जो काम जब मन में आया बस वो चीज़ कर ली, किसी दोस्त ने बुलाया उसके पास चले गए, यहाँ जाना था वहाँ जाना था, कुछ भी. यू आर जस्ट बीइंग लेजी एंड यू स्पेंड योर डे इन अननेसेसरी थिंग्स एंड नाउ यू रिग्रेट व्हाट यू डिड टुडे. फिर आप सोचते हो कि मैं नहीं ये कल काम कर लूँगा, नहीं आप सोचते ही नहीं हो. रात में यू जस्ट थिंक कि मेरा दिन कहाँ चला गया, मैंने तो आज कुछ किया ही नहीं है. सो दैट इज़ द मिस्टेक what you are doing, and it is a routine of normal person life. If I talk about personally myself, मेरा भी routine पहले ऐसा ही था, but not now. Today I have different. So now we will talk about successful person life, how successful person's routine is. The biggest difference and the first difference of successful person routine is get up early when you are sleeping. That successful person wake up early and just they are pressing their mind in the early morning. That nature is very healthy for your mind. You can take a rest from there and you can press your mind in that nature. So earlier it's very hard for me because I don't have a habit of getting up early, but now I can get up early and that habit changed my life. So because of that your productivity can be double, your creativity can be double. So that is the first point. So number 2 is meditation and exercise. After waking up early, the successful person do the meditation and exercise. Meditation is the most important thing. Because of it you can feel stress free, and when you are stress free you can make a decision very easily, and your creativity, your productivity can be increased, can be double. So that is the most important thing. And because of exercise, when you do some movement, that is the very good for your health, because they know your success is nothing without your good health. So good health is most important for that. So being stress free, being healthy, that is the very important, and for that they do the exercise and meditation. Number 3 is planning the day. That is the most important thing in the routine. So they start their day in a cleaning way, in a cleaning planning. They plan what they will today and just write that on the paper, and they arrange the all tasks or priority according the day. And that is the most important thing, what you do today, what you will do today. When you plan the day, you can do the work what is the most important work. If you can't plan the day, you just wasted your time. Earlier I also spend my whole day, and in the night I just think कि मैंने आज क्या किया. But when I change my routine, in the night I just think कि नहीं मैंने आज बहुत कुछ किया. I have completed my task which I decided to do. So that is directly impact to your life, that routine, that small routine, that small planning just affect to your success. So don't let it stop your success. So number 4 is get away from distraction and deep working. They don't do the multitasking work. They just focus on a one work and go in the deep on that work and completely understand the topic. They don't waste their time in a multitasking. When you do multitasking, you don't have as much as a necessary knowledge you need. You just have some like 0.1 knowledge of every word, and you just get confused. So that is the most important topic, that you learn one thing at a one time, and they just get away from distraction. They just they do their mobile on a silent mode and don't use it, because that is the biggest distraction of your life, your mobile. When you are waiting for that notification, you just check out again and again on your mobile. That message will come. It is like most important, like you are waiting, you are craving for that message, and you are just waiting for it and spending your whole day in a waiting. So it is not good thing. Just so they don't waste their time in a waiting of notification and spending their day in a scrolling. So just be safe, be carefully from your mobile and that distraction. That is the most important. So number 5 is continuously learning and grow. Successful person never stop to learn things. They just learn new things every day, and that thing directly impact to your life. Just learn new thing every day by book. You can learn by any podcast, any online course. If I talk about myself, I just listen any podcast and I just change my mindset. You can listen about education, you can listen about life, you can listen about any mindset which can literally change your mindset. You are thinking that also will change. And in a night, when you think what you have learned today, what you have learned new today, and how it impacts to your life and how it will change your life, so you will feel that I have learned something new and it too has a good impact in my life. So it is the most important thing what change your mindset. So number 6 is gratitude. In a night when you are scrolling, when you are watching the series and movie, they just think what they have achieved today and they just appreciate it, because that matter what you have learned today, and they just try to think that it has a literally good impact in our life, and that